If you're having difficulty performing certain actions on your Galaxy S26 series device, such as side-loading APK files or sending USB debugging commands from your PC, that's going to be because of Samsung's new built-in protection feature. It's called Auto Blocker, and it's actually a big reason why Epic Games filed a lawsuit against the South Korean tech conglomerate to begin with. But this feature is really easy to disable. We just need to dive into the Settings application. From here, we tap into the Security and Privacy menu, and then we look for the Auto Blocker feature from here. Now, you have the option of disabling this feature by simply tapping on the toggle itself, or you can tap on the text menu instead, which will then bring you to a details page where you can see how the feature actually works. And more importantly, you can see what type of restrictions Samsung has implemented when this feature is enabled, which it is by default. But a quick tap and a confirmation is all that's needed to turn Auto Blocker off on your Samsung Galaxy S26. And it's important to know, these steps will work exactly the same for the larger Galaxy S26 Plus and the higher end Galaxy S26 Ultra.